Today we are going to discuss about some observations that helps to identify the chemical reactions. First one is change in state. Second one is change in color. Third one is evolution of gas. Fourth one is change in temperature. These four observations will help us to identify the chemical reactions. First one, change in state. Here I have a piece of magnesium ribbon. It is in solid state. Now I am going to burn this. Magnesium burns with dazzling white flame and change into powder of magnesium oxide. The formation of magnesium oxide is due to the reaction between magnesium and oxygen present in the air. The equation for this chemical reaction is, what is the symbol for magnesium? Magnesium reacts with oxygen. It forms magnesium oxide. What is the formula for magnesium oxide? MgO. Always we have to write the equation in the balanced form. We have to balance this equation. Manu, come on, balance this equation. Good. The second one is change in color. Here I have two solutions. One is lead nitrate, another one is potassium iodide. Both are colorless. Take small amount of lead nitrate in a test tube. Add some amount of potassium iodide into it. It forms yellow precipitate of lead iodide. It is due to the reaction between lead nitrate and potassium iodide. The chemical equation for this reaction is, what is the formula for lead nitrate method? Pp NO3 twice. Go, sit down. What is the formula for potassium iodide? Ki. Good. Sit down. Lead nitrate reacts with potassium iodide. It forms lead iodide and potassium nitrate. The lead iodide is in the form of yellow precipitate. What is meant by precipitate? The insoluble solid substance is called as precipitate. If we add water into this, the solid substance will not be dissolved. Let's check it now. This one is the solid substance. If we add water into this, it will not be dissolved. So, it is called as precipitate. Clear? Change in color. Lead nitrate reacts with potassium iodide. It forms yellow precipitate of lead iodide and potassium nitrate. Finished? Come on, balance this equation. Okay, good. So, the next one is evolution of gas. Take few zinc granules in a test tube. Add some amount of sulfuric acid into it. Before adding acid, I would like to explain the complete reaction. Zinc reacts with sulfuric acid. It forms zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. What is the formula for zinc sulfate? Is it SO4. For hydrogen gas? H2. In this reaction, we can't see the hydrogen gas which is evolved because it is colorless and invisible. But we can test the gas. How to test the gas? If we bring a burning candle near to the gas, it makes a pop sound. That sound indicates the gas is hydrogen. Zinc granules in a test tube. Now I am going to add sulfuric acid into it. See, the bubbles are formed around the zinc granules. That bubbles indicates the formation of gas. When we bring a burning candle near to the mouth of the test tube, it burns with pop sound. That pop sound indicates the hydrogen gas. Other gases will not produce the pop sound. See, this is the pop sound. The sound indicates the gas is hydrogen. Next one is change in temperature. Take a small amount of calcium oxide in a dry test tube. Pratik, come here. Touch the outer side of the test tube. Can you feel any heat? Now I am adding water into calcium oxide. Now touch the outer side of the test tube. Can you feel anything? Good, good. Sir. The temperature change indicates the chemical reaction between calcium oxide and water. The chemical equation for this reaction is calcium oxide reacts with water. It forms calcium hydroxide along with heat. That's it for today. We will meet in the next class.